2022 Kia EV6, AMCI certified testing, instant acceleration, with the instantaneous response of an all-electric motor and 576 horsepower. The 2023 EV6 GT offers a powerful driving experience for those who crave a thrill. This head-turning vehicle is not to be outdone, accelerating faster from 0 to 60 miles per hour than the Ferrari Roma and the Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spider AWD. Heart-pounding inside and out, the EV6 GT takes the driving experience to a whole new level with its enhanced design. Premium features and bold design accents make the EV6 GT an EV like no other. RWD or e-awd capability. The EV6 comes standard with RWD and a multi-link rear suspension to deliver responsive and sporty handling. Available models with torque vectoring e-awd feature dual motors to deliver superior acceleration and all-weather grip too. Revolutionary new eGMP platform. The EV6 is our first vehicle to utilize our eGMP architecture. Developed exclusively for our electric vehicles, it utilizes significant amounts of ultra-high-strength steel to provide a structure that's both lighter and stronger, delivering better handling, safety, and a wheelbase similar to many mid-size SUVs. Thrills at every turn. Wherever the road takes you, getting behind the wheel of an EV6 is a thrilling experience. With a low center of gravity, a powerful all-electric engine, and impressive handling, the EV6 is a pleasure to drive. Power for every climate. Having been tested in some of the coldest climates on the planet, the EV6 is built to handle the elements. No matter the weather, the EV6 can help keep you comfortable and in control with these available features. A heat pump, which helps preserve all-electric range in cold weather driving conditions. Heated front and rear seats to keep you and your passengers comfortable. Heated steering wheel to warm your hands on cold days. Dual motor all-wheel drive. Remote start with cabin preconditioning. More driving, less charging. Ultra-fast DC fast charging. Extended range to roam. Charge on the go. Charge at home. Charging credits. ChargePoint Kia partnership. The EV6 versatile system works with both 400V and 800V DC fast chargers. Using an 800V DC fast charger provides up to 217 miles of range in only 18 minutes. Style without compromise. The EV6 Wind was designed for those who won't settle for less. With a sleek design and a luxurious interior, the EV6 Wind offers a premium experience with these available features. EPA estimated 310-mile RWD all-electric range 1. Ultra-fast charging capability. 21 standard collision avoidance and safety assist features 3. 19-inch alloy wheels. Dual panoramic displays with navigation 4. 14-speaker Meridian premium audio system. Heated and ventilated front seats. Smart power tailgate. Cold weather range preserving heat pump. Onboard power generator. The future is on full display. The curved panoramic 12.3 inches screens provide a stunning 24 inches of combined curved display for navigation, diagnostic, convenience, entertainment, and immersive vehicle information features. An integrated blue light filter helps reduce eye strain and driver fatigue. The available groundbreaking head-up display shows key safety information and route guidance in augmented reality, providing additional info to help keep your eyes focused on the road ahead of you. With Remote Smart Parking Assist, you can remotely park and exit parking spaces from outside the vehicle. Vehicle sensors automatically control the steering wheel, vehicle speed, and gear shifts to easily guide your vehicle into both perpendicular and parallel parking spaces. Connect your personal device or Apple Watch to your vehicle via the Kia Connect app to remotely manage charging, set cabin temperatures, monitor energy usage, and more. Wireless smartphone charging also lets you charge a compatible smartphone just by placing it on the charging tray. With a wheelbase similar to many mid-size SUVs, the EV6 is fit for all of life's adventures. Extra front interior storage gives the EV6 impressive cargo space, and with a towing capacity of up to 2,300 pounds, you'll have the power to do it all. Available vehicle-to-load ports allow you to use your EV6 to charge or power electric devices, such as mobile phones, laptops, tablets, home appliances, electric bikes, camping equipment, and more. With 50.2 ft of rear cargo room, you'll have more room for gear and supplies while on the go. Plus, the available Smart Power tailgate opens automatically by sensing your key, giving you hands-free access to the cargo area for easier loading and unloading. Curated comfort, designed for more. The EV6 front seats use Giga Steel, which maintains comfort while increasing rear seat legroom. The EV6 also offers a premium quality interior and impressive storage space for all your gear, toys, and tools. Ambient lighting. The EV6 interior is designed to inspire with available ambient lighting to set the mood and premium features that create a luxurious experience while on the road. Powerful sound system. The 14-speaker Meridian premium audio system with subwoofer and external amplifier delivers powerful sound to amplify the EV6 driving experience. Sustainably built, the EV6 incorporates sustainable design elements throughout its construction, from the use of more than 100 recycled PET bottles for interior parts, 100% LED lighting, and the exclusive use of vegan leather. We've got your back, and your sides and front too. Blind Spot View Monitor. The available Blind Spot View Monitor displays a live feed of both your left and right rear blind spots in the instrument panel. If you try to change lanes while an object is detected in the blind spot, Blind Spot Collision Avoidance Assist Rear can help maintain your previous course. Surround View Monitor. Using 4 exterior-mounted cameras, the Surround View Monitor provides a bird's-eye view of your surroundings to enhance awareness when maneuvering your vehicle in certain situations. This feature is especially useful when parallel parking. Forward Collision Avoidance Assist. A standard forward collision avoidance assist uses sensors and cameras to scan the road ahead and to the side for potential hazards. The active system continuously monitors for potential collisions with other vehicles that are ahead of you, and monitors for oncoming and crossing vehicles at intersections as well. Highway Driving Assist 2. Using a forward-facing camera, radar sensors, and navigation data, Highway Driving Assist 2 assists with maintaining a comfortable speed and distance from the vehicle ahead of you. If oncoming obstacles are detected while backing up, the standard rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist can alert the driver or apply the brakes to help avoid a collision. Front and rear parking sensors also alert when approaching obstacles.